we are here to deepen our knowledge about glass and glass technology. So this is a great branch within archaeometric studies. The glass that we started to study now are glass bits that are coming from some kofun in the Okayama area. At the moment, we are starting with glass bits. There was 800 of glass bits of different color coming from Nima Tobiuska Kofun. And we want to study this kind of materials in order to deepen the knowledge on this area of production of glasses in Japan, and to find also some connection in the case with production of glass in the China area, Korea area and East area. It's very important also to confront this kind of knowledge with Mediterranean area and European area. We are inside the scientific laboratories in Okayama University. At the moment we are host of Toshi Nozaka laboratory, and we are able in this laboratory to perform the first survey on our glass beads. That means that we want to observe the color of glass beads. We have different colors starting from yellow, orange, red, green, blue and azure color, and we observe with the optical microscopy. We have different kind of magnification. We observe the surface of our beads, the dimension, the conservation condition of our beads, if they are still on top of our glass. Some remain of the earth, some remain of, for example, as well wood or other degradation processes can live on our surfaces, some other product. And at the moment we observe some particular things in relation to the production technique. We have on our beads some the surface morphology, so that means that we are able to see if, for example, they use some wooden stick to make the inside hole of our glass beads. We also have already another instrument that is called X-ray fluorescence, that you can see in the laboratory, that performs some chemical analysis. So at the moment we are dealing with first step of analysis, and we just see the chemical composition of our beads. That means that we are able to see the atoms, the element that are inside the glass matrix. These techniques, the X-ray fluorescence, enable us to start our diagnostic protocol. It's a scientific diagnostic protocol that step by step goes on and give us more and more information. So at the moment we are performing only a survey through a great number of glass beads, and then we will make some more analysis like electron microscopy and also other kind of chemical analysis to have more in-depth information. All this information at the end can help us to reconstruct all the old techniques, production technique of glass, and also all information in relation to the production area of glass, and as well if there were some commercial trade between, for example, Japan and Near East area like China or Korea.